Phonetics and phonology are two important branches of linguistics. In this video, we are going to explore how they are different from each other. Before that, we are going to define both of them one by one. What is phonetics? According to George Yule, phonetics is the general study of the characteristics of speech sounds. It can also be defined as a branch of linguistics that focuses on the production and classification of the word speech sounds. It is not concerned with the meaning of these sounds, the order in which they are placed, or any other factor outside of how they are produced, heard, and their various properties. Now, coming to phonology, it is essentially the description of the systems and patterns of speech sounds in a language. It is in fact based on the theory of what every speaker of a language unconsciously knows about the sound pattern. It is a branch of linguistics that is concerned with the study of speech sound with reference to their distribution and patterning. So pattern, distribution, system, they are the keywords. Okay, coming to the main point, how they are different from each other. Phonetics belongs to descriptive linguistics. Phonology belongs to theoretical linguistics. So, phonetics is concrete, phonology is abstract. Phonetics deals with the physical properties of speech sounds. Phonology deals with the patterns of speech sound. Phonetics has limited scope, while phonology has broader scope. Moreover, phonetics is concerned with the form, that is the physical properties of sound, while phonology is concerned with the function, the differences and similarities of these sounds. Phonetics deals with the transmission of sounds through vocal tract, oral cavity, and nasal cavity, but phonology deals with the organization of these sounds. Another difference between these two is that phonetics is strictly about audible sounds and the things that happen in our mouth, throat, nasal, and sinus cavities and the lungs to make these sounds. It has nothing to do with the meaning, while phonology is both physical and meaningful. It explores the differences between the sounds in a language that change the meaning of an utterance. Phonetics deals with the universal phenomenon of human speech sounds, while phonology is language specific. Phonetics is the physics of sound, but phonology can be called as the psychology of sound because it is based on the abstract concepts like patterning and all that. Phonetics is the basis for phonological analysis, but phonology is the basis for further work in morphology, syntax, and discourse. So, phonology has wider scope and wider perspective. Phonetics simply describes the articulatory, auditory, and acoustic properties of speech sounds. Phonology studies how speech sounds combine and how these combinations create difference in their meanings. Phonetics is about how sounds are articulated, that is articulatory, how sounds travel in air as waves, auditory, how sounds are perceived by ear, acoustic. But phonology does not deal with any of these three aspects because they are the sub-branches of phonetics. The areas of concern in phonetics are place and manner of articulation of speech sounds, physical properties of vowel, diphthongs, and consonant sounds, while in phonology we study syllable structure, minimal pairs and sets, co-articulation effects, assimilation, elision, suprasegmental features, intonation, phonotactics, consonant clusters, etc. So these are the major differences. Let's summarize it. Phonetics is the study of the production and perception of speech sounds, while phonology concerns the study of more complex and abstract sound patterns and structures. I hope now the difference between these two is clear. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.